Good morning, students. So in previous video we are discussing about limits. You know the definition of limit and laws of limit. So limit definition: the value of the given function f of x as x approaches to a should be finite value. Symbolically we write limit of f of x as x tends to a is equal to L, where L is finite value. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು. ನೋಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity plus infinity, those expressions are called indeterminate form, undefined. Those are not finite values. Okay, just like it is one type of infinite values, those are not finite values. So definition of limit: ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ x ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, based on the definition of limit, now here there is two important theorems. Now first theorem says, now remember most important theorem, prove that limit of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a is equal to n into a power n minus 1, where n is set of positive integer. Okay, now take LHS. Now here LHS part ಏನಿದೆ, given data limit of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a is equal to, its answer is n into a power n minus 1. Check it, this is f of x as x tends to a given. Definition of limit: the value of the given function as x approaches to a must be finite value. Check it whether it is finite or infinite or indeterminate. You have to check. How to check? Put x equal to a. See, x equal to a substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x equal to a substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ this is a power n minus a power n as it is divided by x value a minus a power n minus a power n 0 divided by a minus a 0. It is indeterminate. Don't cancel it. 0 by 0 is not equal to 1. 0 by 0 is not equal to 0. Remember, that expression is known as indeterminate. That is not finite value. But definition of limit: answer must be finite, but here it is indeterminate. So what can you do? Simplify the given function. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ? till you get finite value. How to solve? Now look here. Now x power n, take numerator, x power n minus a power n is equal to, what is its value? Now here you know that a square minus b square. How to write it? That a square minus b square is same as, we can write a minus b into a plus b. Correct? Whereas a cube minus b cube, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? You know the formula. a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪವರ್ a 1 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಸ್ a b ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ a cube minus b cube ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ a minus b into ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ a cube ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪವರ್ 2 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಲೆಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, a ಪವರ್ 1 b ಪವರ್ 1, b ಏನಾಯಿತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು, b ಪವರ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು b ಇದೆ, b ಇಂಟು b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ b ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. The power of a is decreased by 1 from one term to another term, and at the same time power of b is increased by 1 from one term to another term. ಇದ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ 3 ಹಿಯರ್ n ಇದೆ. ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ x ಮೈನಸ್ a. ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ a ಈಸ್ 3 ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 1. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 3 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಂತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು 1 ಲೆಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದು 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? x power n minus 1 plus again power of a is decreased by 1 mat again 1 decrease agutte x power n minus 2 into a illi b ide illi a, right, plus next again decrease by 1 x power n minus 3 into power of a is increased by 1 from one term to another term. ಹೌದಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ n minus 4 into a cube ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಆನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು, ಎ ಪವರ್ 0 ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 0 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1, ಎ ಪವರ್ ಬಿ ಪವರ್ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ 2 ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಎ ಪವರ್ n minus 1. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ x power n minus a power n. How to write? X minus a. Remember, power of x is decreased by 1 from one term to another term, and at the same time power of a is increased by 1 from one term to another term, right? So this is the value of factors of x power n minus a power n. Its factors are x minus a into x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2 into a plus x power n minus 3 into a square plus and so on a power n minus 1. Using this concept, ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ, ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ LHS ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಿದೆ, LHS ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a is equal to limit x tends to a x power n minus a power n value x minus a into x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2 into a plus x power n minus 3 into a square plus x power n minus 4 into a cube plus and so on, last term a power n minus 1 divided by denominator x minus a. Okay, this is numerator value. Then simplify. One factor x minus a cancel. Then put x equal to a value substitute ಮಾಡಿ, x value ಏನಿದೆ a, that is a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 2 into a plus a power x value a ತಾನೆ, a power n minus 3 into a square plus a power n minus 4 into a cube plus and so on a power n minus 1. So that a power n minus 1 plus, now apply laws of indices, a power m into a power n, you know the formula, laws of indices, a power m into a power n, bases are same, a power m plus n, add the power, m place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ n minus 2, n place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು a power n minus 2 plus 1, correct? Similarly here a power n minus 3 plus 2. Here a power n minus 4 plus 3 plus and so on a power n minus 1. Right? And then further simplify, a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus a power n minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus a power n minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 plus and so on a power n minus 1, right? Now a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 1 ಎರಡು add ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, a power n plus 1 plus a power n plus n minus 1, how many times? 2 times a power n minus 1. ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 1, ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 3 times a power n minus 1. If you take 4 terms, 4 times a power n minus 1. If you take 5 terms, sum of 5 terms, 5 into a power n minus 1. Totally how many terms? N terms. So we write that is equal to how many times? N times a power n minus 1. That is equal to RHS. Is there? Therefore, limit of, remember that most important formula, therefore limit of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Very important formula, remember. Okay. Now here, prove that limit of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a is equal to n into a power n minus 1, where n is set of positive integer. Okay. Now here, take LHS. Now definition of limit ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ x ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಫೈನೈಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೇನ, ಪುಟ್ x equal to a ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a power n minus a power n divided by a minus a. So a power n minus a power n 0 divided by a minus a 0. It is in the form 0 by 0. It is not finite value. It is indeterminate, undefined. Okay. So but definition of limit ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ನಾವು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ x ಪವರ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ a ಪವರ್ n. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ x minus a? The power of n is, power of x is decreased by 1 from one term to another term, and at the same time power of a is increased by 1 from one term to second term, that is x minus a into power of x is decreased by 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದೆ, decreased by 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, n minus 1 plus next term ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, again decrease, x power n minus 2. Power of a is increased, a power 1 plus power of x is decreased by 1, n minus 2 is 1 less other, n minus 3. Power of a is increased by 1, a power 2 plus x power n minus 4, a power 3 and so on. Power of x is decreased by 1, ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗ n minus 4, n minus 5, n minus 5, n minus 6, n minus 7 and so on, n minus n. But x power n minus n, n minus n is 0, x power 0 vanish, that is 1. Last number is a power n minus 1. This is the factor of x power n minus a power n. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. Then LHS part. Limit of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a is equal to limit x tends to a. The value of x power n minus a power n value x minus a into x power n minus 1 plus x power n minus 2 into a plus x power n minus 3 into a square plus x power n minus 4 into a cube and so on, a power n minus 1 divided by x minus a. One factor x minus a cancel. Put x equal to a, verify whether is it finite or not. Put x equal to a power n minus 1, again x value a power n minus 2 into a, again x value a power n minus 3 into a square, x value a power n minus 4 into a cube and so on, a power n minus 1. That is a power n minus 1. Here bases are same. Apply laws of indices. You know the formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Add the power, base same ಇದ್ದಾಗ powers are added. So ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ n minus 2, n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, that is a power n minus 2 plus 1 plus a power n minus 3 plus 2 plus a power n minus 4 plus 3 and so on, a power n minus 1. So a power n minus 1 plus a power n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus a power n minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus a power n minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 and so on, a power n minus 1. Totally how many times? ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ ಇವು? 1 2 3 4 5, not 5 terms. How many times? n times. In general ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಇದಾವು? n times. So ಇದನ್ನ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ how to write it? We write n times a power n minus 1. ಎರಡೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sum of two terms, 2 times a power n minus 1. If you take 3 terms, sum of 3 times, that is 3 times a power n minus 1. If you take 4 terms, 4 times a power n minus 1. If you take 5 terms, sum of 5 terms is equal to 5 times a power n minus 1. If you take n terms, n times into a power n minus 1. That is equal to RHS. Therefore, limit of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Remember that formula. E format ಒಳಗೆ problem ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ apply that formula n into a power n minus 1. Clear, students? So based on that theorem, remember that theorem, limit of x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a is equal to n into a power n minus 1 for any positive number n. Okay, using that theorem to solve simple problems. Now first problem, yenide, evaluate limit of x power 3 minus 8 divided by x minus 2 as x tends to 2. Verify. Definition of limit. The value of the given function as x approaches to a value is 2, should be finite value. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪುಟ್ x equal to 2, 2 power 3, 8 minus 8 divided by x value 2 minus 2, that is 8 minus 8, 0 by 0. It is indeterminate form. So simplify given data. How to solve? Apply that theorem. Now verify whether given problem is it in the form of theorem number 1? No. So first you have to convert it. Limit x tends to 2, x power 3 minus 8 is nothing but 2 power 3, because 2 power 3 is 8, 2 into 2 into 2, correct? Divided by x minus 2. Now clearly it is in the form x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. A value is 2. Either the tally madi, a value is 2, as x tends to a value is 2. This a form agaita? Yes. What is its formula? N into, what is n? N value 3 into a value 2 power n minus 1, n value 3 minus 1. That is 3, 2 power 3 minus 1, 2. That is 3, 2 power 2 is 4, 3 into 4, 12. That's it. That is finite value. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ. Evaluate limit of x power 5 plus 32 divided by x plus 2 as x tends to minus 2. Verify. Put x equal to minus 2. Is it finite or infinite or indeterminate? Check it. Put x value minus 2 ಹಾಕಿ. Minus 2 to the power of 5 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus 32 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ? Minus 2 power 5, minus 2 and 5 times multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That is minus 32. Here plus 32 divided by x value minus 2 plus 2. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 0 by 0. Again it is indeterminate. So simplify. How to solve? Comparing this with theorem 1. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ tally ಮಾಡಿ. Are they same? No. Here in between these two terms, here minus sign, but here plus sign. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದೇನು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು minus 2, x power 5 plus can be written as minus of minus 32. Correct? Because minus and minus plus divided by x plus 2 can be written as minus of minus 2. Okay, good. Then next, that is equal to limit x tends to minus 2, x power 5 minus 32 can be expressed in the form of power. Minus 32 can be written as minus 2 power 5. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, minus 2 ಅನ್ನು 5 times multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. It will become minus 32. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Minus 32 is same as minus 2 to the power of 5, right? Divided by x minus minus 2. Now verify. Clearly it is in the form standard theorem. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? It is in the form x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a value ಏನಿದೆ? minus 2 as extends to a. What is a value? Minus 2. Formula is it? Yes. Hagadre idar formula inri n into what is n value? 5 into a value minus 2 to the power of n minus 1, 5 minus 1, that equals 5 into minus 2, 5 minus 1, 4, that is equal to 5 minus 2 to the power of 4, minus 2 and 4 times multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8, minus 8 into minus 2, 16, 16 5s are 80, that's it, that is the finite value. ಅಡವಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಥಿಯರಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Problem number 3. Evaluate limit of x power 15 minus 1 divided by x power 10 minus 1 as x tends to 1. Check it. Put x equal to 1. Is it finite or infinite or indeterminate? X value 1 haki 1 power 15. 1 power 15 estaಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ. minus 1 divided by x value 1. 1 power 10. 1 minus 1, that is 0 by 0, indeterminate form. Okay, simplify given data, verify whether given expression is it in the form of standard theorem. No, yakilla nodri, x power n minus a power n divided by base value irbeku, ive term denominator lide. Hagadre x power n value 15 ide, so we can write like this: limit x tends to 1 to convert given data in the form of standard theorem. How to convert? X power 15 minus 1 can be written as 1 power 15. 1 power 15 is nothing but 1 itself, divided by ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ x minus a, ಇವೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದಿಗಿಲ್ಲೇ divided by take alone x minus 1 extra, whole divided by x power 10 minus 1 can be written as 1 power 10. 1 power 10 nothing but 1 itself, divided by base value x minus 1. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಯಾವುದು x minus 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಸೇಸ್ x power n minus a power n divided by base value ಏನಿದೆ x minus a, ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. These two terms get cancelled, it will become same result. If you take multiplication, that term goes to numerator, x minus 1 goes to numerator, x minus 1 cancel, it will become same term, right? Okay, now that is equal to, here this is denoted by f of x, that is denoted by g of x. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ f of x ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this is g of x. Now it is in the form limit of f of x divided by g of x as x approaches to, in general, a value is 1. By using laws of limits, split of the limit split ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, limit of f of x as x tends to a whole divided by limit of g of x as x tends to a. By using laws of limit, how to write? That is limit of, split of the limit of numerator x power 15 minus 1 power 15 divided by x minus 1 as x tends to 1, divided by limit of g of x. What is g of x value? X power 10 minus 1 power 10 divided by x minus 1 as x tends to 1, by using laws of limit, right? Now that is equal to, in the numerator clearly it is in the form standard theorem. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? yes. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ? n. what is n value? 15 into a ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 power n minus 1, 15 minus 1, divided by, in the denominator again it is in the form standard theorem, n. what is n? 10. a value 1 to the power of 10 minus 1, n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1. Then simplify. then simplify, that is 15, 1 power 15 minus 1 14 by 10 into 1 power 10 minus 1 is 9. So that is 15, 1 power 14 is nothing but 1 divided by 10, 1 power 9 is nothing but 1, that is 15 by 10, 5 3s are 5 2s are, that is the final answer. Okay, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ, evaluate limit of x power 5 plus 243 divided by x plus 3 as x tends to minus 3. Check it, put x equal to minus 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 3 power 5 minus 3 ಅನ್ನು 5 times multiply ಮಾಡಿ, that is minus 243 plus 243 divided by x value minus 3 plus 3, how much, 0 by 0, it is indeterminate, that is not finite value. Remember students, that expression is known as indeterminate. So simplify, limit x tends to minus 3. Now verify whether given data is it in standard form, standard theorem. No, why? In between these two, sign is minus sign, but here plus, so split it, x power 5 plus 243 can be written as minus of minus 243, because minus into minus plus, right, divided by x plus 3 can be written as minus of minus 3. Okay, then again further simplify, limit x tends to minus 3 x to the power of 5 minus 243 can be written as minus 3 power 5. Nodri, minus 3 in the 5 times multiply madri, it will become minus 243, right? Okay, divided by x minus of minus 3 as it is. Now verify, clearly it is in the form standard theorem. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, it is in the form x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a value minus 3, here minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, apply that formula, n into, what is n value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 into a, what is a value minus 3 power n value 5 minus 1, that is 5 into minus 3 power 5 minus 1 4, that is 5 into minus 3 power 4 minus 3 and 4 times multiply ಮಾಡಿ, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9, 9 into 9 81, correct? Now 81 5s are 405, that's it, that is the finite answer, finite value. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಆ ಥಿಯರಮಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ವೆರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ನೋಡಿ, fifth problem, evaluate limit of x power 3 minus 125 divided by x minus 5 as x tends to 5. Check it, put x equal to 5, is it finite or infinite or indeterminate? Check ಮಾಡಿ, put x is 5 power 3, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 minus 125 divided by x value 5 minus 5, that is 0 by 0, indeterminate form. So simplify, convert given expression in the form theorem number 1, that is x power 3 minus 125 can be written as 5 power 3, right, divided by x minus a, that is 5. Clearly it is in the form x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, what is that formula, n into, what is n value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, a value 5 into the power of n minus 1, n value 3 minus 1, that is 3 into 5, 3 minus 1 2, 3 into 5 power 2. 5 power 2 is 25. 25 3s are 75. That's it. Okay, students. Whereas last problem, that is sixth one. Evaluate limit of x minus 3 divided by x minus 5 minus 3 power 5 as x tends to 3. Check it. Is it finite or infinite or indeterminate? Put x equal to 3. X value 3 ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 minus 3 divided by x value 3. 3 power 5 minus 3 power 5. 3 minus 3 0. 3 power 5 minus 3 power 5 0. It is in the form indeterminate. That is not finite value. Then simplify. Now here comparing this with standard theorem. ಇದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ x ಪವರ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ a ಪವರ್ n ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಇದೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ x minus 3 by x power 5 minus 3 power 5 can be written as, we can write 1 by x power 5 minus 3 power 5 divided by x minus 3 as x tends to 3. ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Are they same? See, a divided by b ಇದೆಪ್ಪ. That a divided by b can be written as 1 divided by b by a. If you take multiplication, that a goes to numerator. That is nothing but a by b. Right? ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಬೇಕು, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್? 1 by x power 5 minus a 3 power 5 divided by x minus 3. Simplify. If you take multiplication, that x minus 3 goes to numerator. It will become same result. Clear? So now here we can write 1 divided by x power 5 minus 3 power 5 divided by x minus 3. Now that is 1 constant as it is divided by limit of x power 5 minus 3 power 5 divided by x minus 3 as x tends to 3. Now that is equal to 1 divided by, clearly in the denominator it is in the form theorem number 1. Idu ee form nagide tane. It is in the form x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a as x tends to a. Right? So the formula n place olage estide ille 5 into a. What is a value? 3 power n minus 1, 5 minus 1. That is 1 divided by 5 into 3 power 5 minus 1, 4. That is 1 divided by 5 into 3 power 4. 3 and 4 times multiply madi. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Okay? That is 1 divided by 81 5s are 405. 1 by 4 not 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are 40. So these are the problems belongs to under theorem number 1. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೀಡ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಟ್ 2 to 3 times, then only it will perfect. Okay, based on that formula these are the problems. So theorem 1 over. Theorem 1 completes. Next theorem number 2 we will discuss in next class. Okay students, thank you.